this is Cindy, Create the Heart, and I'm back with the share of the Friday class that I did for Taylor Expressions Stamp Joy, which I think, last year I really enjoyed it because I think the Friday class was the rainbow bundle. Can't remember. But I really, really enjoyed the products that we got with the classes this year. I think even more so than last year because I think we did the kaleidoscope plate. I didn't really care for that one as much. I really loved the stuff that we did in the Stamp Joy this year. And so what we got for the Friday class, I believe this is a Stamp Joy exclusive. It says right on there, and it is called Floral Flurry. So it's a stamp and stencil. So you get the stamp, which is a rubber stamp, and then you get the stencils. I'm going to open it up. But anyway, the stencils, I think you do, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stencils that you just lay over, and then you can do your different colors for your images. So it's a really great way to color them. It's really cute, really fun. So and we also got this one, which is a stamp. They say it's a Stamp Joy exclusive as well. Sending Hugs, and we got the rubber stamp as well as the die. So really, really cool. So let me show you the projects that we made. So we did this card. I did not have really good white ink to do splatter, which I'm sure I do. I just didn't feel like, because I'm pretty sure I have some other ink somewhere. But anyway, I couldn't find any at the time. So I actually used some spray that I have, and it was fine. So this one is done on craft. And so with the craft, I'm trying to remember how we did it because I can't remember how we did this one, how it ended up being in craft. But I guess did we stamp it? I don't know what we did. Maybe we just did the die. I don't even remember. I don't remember. We must have stamped it somehow. And then we inked it up. And because you don't see the black. So it's kind of, I don't even know how we did this one. Interesting. I can't remember. Anyway, we did, maybe we just did the stencils on this one. Maybe that's what we did, and we didn't actually ink it up because it doesn't have any lines. So I think that's what we did. I think we just did the stencils on the craft cardstock and used different colors of ink, and then we used these little drops, and we stamped this. I think they wanted us to stamp it in gold, but I didn't have any gold. I couldn't find any gold embossing powder, but I did have silver, so that's what I used, which I think it looks good with silver. So there's that one. And then this one, I think this was another one that we just used the stencils. And so this is like a shadow box card, I guess. It came with this pre-printed Hello Friend. So yeah, I'm pretty sure. Oh, I know what we did with this one. So we just used the stencils, and then we used these new sort of pens. I mean, they're new to me. I ended up buying a set of them because I think they're really cool. And that is, I'll just show you one of them. It's this Pigment Deco Brush pen. So it sits right on top of your ink. So I really enjoyed using these enough that I actually went and I bought a set to go ahead and play with because I really liked the look. So went in and drew and colored in and did some shading or whatever for this. And then the inside says Sending Hugs. So kind of a fun, unique card. And then I'm going to throw all this stuff away. You know, that is this one. So these last two are my favorite cards. And I know I want to make more cards, but I have so much stuff to work through. So we did this one, which is a shaker card. And what I enjoyed a couple of things with this one. One, I believe we foiled. So I actually bought some of the foil. I think it came. I don't know if I have it. This is not the foil for this particular one, but just to give you an idea, they sell Tailored Expressions sells these ready to be foiled. And so this one is for Best Buds, but they sell these like foil sheets, you know, and then you run it through your Mink or your laminator, and then you get sort of the foiling, and then you just use your stencil to do the coloring. And I loved this one. And then they also had this already made. I believe this was already done, and that is they heat embossed on their acetate the Sending Hugs. So I absolutely love that. I want to do this technique again because this was really cool. I loved the embossed acetate, the foiling. It just is such a pretty card. So, and that was a shaker. And I really enjoyed that one. And then, excuse me, this is my second favorite one. So I really, really, really love this. So this was white embossed. And yeah, so I white embossed it. And then, did we stamp it? And then, no, we white embossed it. And then we used the stencil. But I actually, on this one, left out some of the stenciling. I only stenciled like parts of it because it has the pink showing through. And so I just really loved how this one came out. I thought it was really, really fun. And I could see doing this with different colors. So it has like all the pinks and reds. And then the Sending Hugs was done on, what do you call it, vellum. And then, you heat emboss it and you cut it out with the die, and it has a really pretty look to it. So I just really like how this looks, and I love that monochromatic look. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy Crane with the Hearts.